Namaskar. Today we are going to be practicing and learning Chakrasana, wheel pose. Don't get scared, it looks difficult but it is very easy if you follow the right technique. Chakrasana is named after the wheel pose because it looks like a wheel when you do the entire posture. It's advanced posture because it's an intensive backward bending posture. But we can always try to do it with a simpler breath awareness and also a bit of wrist movements. Get some strength on your wrist every day by doing some wrist rotations 10 to 15 times. So when you move your wrist, this is just a preliminary practice for making the posture more and more perfect. And there you go. The wrist has the movement and the flexibility, also the strength to lift the body. Now if you have any wrist injuries, please make sure that you don't try this posture. Also any major spinal injuries, please avoid the posture until you are back again with your normal spine. Also people having any kind of injuries or surgeries in the abdomen region, please avoid the pose. Stretch your legs straight and lie down on your mat. Now, right leg up, foot on the floor, left leg up and bend the knee, keeping the foot on the floor. Keep your heels as close as possible to your hip. Make sure your spine is stretched straight. Taking your palm upside down, so your fingers go inward and the elbow goes upward. Similarly, the other side. And fix your palms next to your shoulders. Don't put them very far. You will not be able to lift up. Try to keep it as close as possible to the shoulder. Now I will show you in 3 easy steps. The first step is to push the hip up. The second step is to put the weight on the palms and lift the head up. Now you're up into the final Chakrasana. In this posture, make sure your palms are firm, feet are firm and body weight divided both the sides, your palms and your feet. Keep stretching yourself upwards. Head is relaxed down. Arms are straight. Keep breathing. And as long as you want to stay, stay. And while coming back, bend your elbows, take your head out and land on your shoulders. Relaxing the entire body on the floor. Stretch your legs straight and relax in Shavasana. Remember in this posture that you have to keep your head outwards while coming back. Don't put the head on the floor, but take your head outward and land on your shoulders. It's much safer here. Make sure that while doing this posture, you have a cushion or something which is very soft beneath, because you may get hurt on the head in the beginning since you're not used to it. Don't worry, don't get scared. Do the first step and relax. If you're ready for the second step, go for it and then relax. Only when you're ready, then you push your palms and come to the third step, which is the final Chakrasana. Enjoy your practice and keep watching Ayush TV for a better health, better lifestyle and better wellness. Thank you. Namaskar.